In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a customer in Tradoo ERP. First, open the Accounting module from the sidebar and click on Customer. This section allows you to manage all customer records in one place. You are now on the Manage Customer page. Click on the Create button to add a new customer. Fill in the required customer details carefully. Enter the customer name, add the contact number, enter the email address. Additional information, add the electronic address if required, select the electronic address scheme, enter the tax number if applicable. Billing address, enter the billing name, add the phone number, enter the address, city, state, country, and zip code. Shipping address, you can also add separate shipping details if needed. After entering all the information, click on the Create button. The customer has now been created successfully and will appear in the customer list. You can manage each customer using the available action buttons. Use View to see customer details, use Edit to update information, use Delete to remove the customer. Click on the View button to open the complete customer profile. Here you can access multiple sections including Details, Proposals, Invoices, Retainer, Revenue, Project, Statement. This gives you a complete overview of the customer's activity and transactions. Tradoo ERP makes customer management simple, organized, and efficient. Tradoo ERP helps you easily create and manage customers in this video.